take advantage of the PixiePlus configuration services, you'll need to go to spcontrols.com and choose the Support tab. Under the Support tab, you'll find that the PixiePlus configuration form is here. Just click on it, which will open this up. The PixiePlus ships with both a single toggling on and off button and an on and off dual button. Choose your button by clicking on it and it will appear in this part of the screen. You can actually add a relay control with an emitter if you'd like. On each step, you're going to need to configure the power or whatever button you choose by clicking this area here. At this point, I have the ability to put up to 4 discrete commands in any combination of IR, relay, or 232 in this section. I'm working with the on button, so I'm going to choose the Epson, and I'm going to choose the 1485 FI, and I'm going to use the on button. Now I'm going to click the off button and I'm going to do the same thing. Epson, choose the 1485, and here we have the off button. Once I do this, I can move to the second button or the next button. I'll choose the next button. Here I've got a choice of a single source button that I can actually program to do 4 different things, a 2-button version which has a drop-down menu, and I can choose many of the options here, or even a 4-button option, and there's a number of options for it. We're going to go ahead and go with this 2-button. I will choose the HDMI 1, HDMI 2 button, which is an optional button, but it is available at no cost with the PixiePlus order. And now I've got to configure that button. I hit Configure Source Module. I go here. It's going to be the Epson. It's going to be this 1585, and I'm going to go to HDMI 1. I'll now need to configure the second button. Epson. There's my 1485, and there's HDMI 2. At this point, I can move to the final button section, which is the volume or a blank, and I will add volume at this point. We'll go ahead and drop it in here, and again, Epson, and then finally volume down. Obviously, if I were going to be controlling additional devices, I could enter them in here. We just need to know that we can control them, and you can let us know what devices you have by just entering them in there. Epson, this is for the volume down, and our volume up, that is, and I can hit the next button. You'll see what the Pixie will look like, and this is where you fill in your information. Thank you very much.